The objectives of effective inventory management go far beyond simply keeping track of stock. At its heart, inventory management is about ensuring that an organization has the right materials, in the right quantity, at the right place, and at the right time, all while minimizing costs and maximizing efficiency. It is a balancing act between customer satisfaction and cost control, a discipline that connects procurement, production, logistics, and sales into one seamless system. The first major objective is to maintain product availability. This means preventing stockouts and ensuring that customers can always access what they need when they need it. When products are consistently available, it builds trust, strengthens brand reputation, and enhances customer loyalty. A company that cannot fulfill orders quickly risks losing customers to competitors, so maintaining a reliable supply of goods is essential to long-term success. The second objective is to minimize inventory investment without compromising service levels. Holding too much inventory ties up capital that could be used elsewhere in the business. It also increases carrying costs, such as storage, insurance, handling, and the risk of obsolescence. On the other hand, holding too little inventory can lead to shortages and missed opportunities. Effective inventory management finds the perfect equilibrium. Enough stock to meet demand, but not so much that it drains financial resources. Another key objective is efficient utilization of storage space. Warehouses, shelves, and stockrooms are costly assets, and the way inventory is stored has a direct impact on productivity and costs. Through proper layout design, classification, and rotation methods such as FIFO and LIFO, businesses can make the most of available space and ensure smooth material flow. This objective links closely to operational efficiency, as optimized storage reduces handling time and improves order accuracy. The fourth objective is to maintain accurate records and data visibility. Modern businesses rely on real-time inventory tracking to make quick and informed decisions. Inaccurate or outdated records can lead to overordering, stockouts, and inefficiencies. By using tools such as barcoding, RFID, and integrated software systems, organizations can maintain transparency and traceability across the entire supply chain. Visibility allows managers to analyze stock trends, detect issues early, and improve decision-making across departments. A fifth crucial objective is to minimize inventory costs. These include purchasing costs, ordering costs, carrying costs, and shortage costs. Effective inventory management seeks to reduce these expenses through strategies like bulk purchasing, supplier negotiations, and optimized reorder points. Lowering total inventory costs leads directly to improved profitability, helping businesses remain competitive and resilient in changing market conditions. Another important goal is to ensure continuous production and smooth operations. In manufacturing environments, raw materials and components must be available when needed to avoid downtime and delays. A well-managed inventory system supports steady production flows by coordinating procurement schedules with production plans. It ensures that materials arrive just in time, neither too early to cause congestion nor too late to disrupt operations. The seventh objective is to improve supply chain coordination. Inventory management doesn't operate in isolation. It is part of a larger ecosystem of suppliers, transporters, and customers. Synchronizing inventory strategies across the supply chain improves responsiveness and reduces lead times. Collaborative forecasting and vendor-managed inventory systems are examples of how businesses can align with partners for mutual benefit. Finally, one of the most strategic objectives is to support business growth and competitiveness. Effective inventory management empowers organizations to respond quickly to market shifts, launch new products efficiently, and expand into new regions without losing control of operations. It transforms inventory from a passive stockpile into an active enabler of strategy. When businesses manage their inventory intelligently, they gain agility, financial flexibility, and the ability to serve customers better than anyone else. In summary, the objectives of effective inventory management revolve around balance, balancing supply and demand, cost and service, efficiency and flexibility. It is the discipline that connects every part of a business, turning raw data into strategic decisions and materials into customer satisfaction. By achieving these objectives, organizations create a competitive advantage that fuels growth, profitability, and long-term success.